Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and fresh batteries in the Gree remote. This prevents signal failures. Once done, stand 3-5 meters from the indoor unit and point toward the IR receiver. Turn the air conditioner on and set the temperature you want to maintain. This ensures sleep mode will adjust from the correct baseline. By preparing these conditions first, you avoid repeated attempts and speed up the rest of the process. You now press the sleep button on the remote to open the sleep configuration. This tells the AC to shift behavior overnight. Next, use the temp plus or minus keys to choose the sleep duration or target offset, commonly 1 to 9 hours depending on model. Make sure to confirm by pressing OK or SET when available, because that finalizes the command. If the remote lacks OK, simply wait a second after adjusting. Many Gree remotes auto-apply the change. Finish by checking for the sleep icon on the remote or the indoor display to confirm the mode is active. This visual cue prevents guesswork. If you need to stop sleep mode, press the sleep button again or power cycle the AC to return to normal operation. If it doesn't engage, make sure batteries are fresh and you're within 3-5 meters, then repeat the steps. Interference or low battery are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.